Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is voltage drop formula and calculation. So let's start. Voltage drop formula for single phase. V drop is equal to I multiplied by R multiplied by L, where V drop is voltage drop, I is load current ampere, R is resistance per meter ohm, L cable length meter, round trip source to load and back. Formula for three-phase systems. V drop is equal to under root 3 multiplied by I multiplied by R multiplied by L. For example, we have load current is 15 ampere, cable length is 20 meter one way, so 40 meter total length. Resistance per meter in copper wire, the size is 2.5 mm square, so 0.007 ohm per meter. For aluminum 2.5 mm square is 0.012 ohm per meter. So first voltage drop calculation for copper wire. The wire size is 2.5 mm square. So put the values in formula. 15 multiplied by 0.007 multiplied by 40. So the answer becomes 4.2 volt. Now voltage drop calculation for aluminum wire. The wire size is 2.5 mm square. So put the values in formula. 15 multiplied by 0.012 multiplied by 40. So the answer becomes 7.2 volt. Conclusion. Copper wire has lower voltage drop 4.2 volt, making it better choice for long distance, while aluminum wire has higher voltage drop 7.2 volt. So for long distance, you should use large wire, for example 4 mm or 6 mm. So now you know that how to calculate voltage drop. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.